Welcome guys in this new lecture of image processing using OpenCV and Python. In previous lecture we learned how to rotate an image. Now in this lecture we are going to learn how to read a video input file. I am creating a new Python file here. I am naming it read underscore from underscore webcam dot py. Okay, so now my input is not an image, now it will be a video. First I need to import the necessary libraries, so I am importing numpy as np, although in this particular code I'll not be using anything of numpy, but let it be. And then I'm using cv2 as cv. Okay, the first thing we need to do is to capture the webcam. So basically I'm creating one object, and using the video capture function of cv I'm saying that make my webcam as the primary or the default camera. And then we need to read the frames generated from the webcam. For that I am creating an infinite while loop. I am passing two variables here, ret and frame. So it will read the capture cap.read every frame. For every frame a successful return code will be generated. It means that for one iteration one frame will be read, and for read frame one return code will be generated. And then after reading I need to display that frame, so I am using imShow function. Let me name this webcam feed here. This is the name of the output window only. So from where I am getting the feed, I'll be getting the feed from the frame variable above. You can name the output window anything. Okay, now after successful reading of all the frames I need to display them onto the screen. I want to hold them onto the screen because frames can be read very fast or very slow. So I'll be using wait key 1, and along with that I also need to quit the operation after everything has been successfully done. So I am using 0xff and I am using Q button to quit the operation. It means that if both this condition is satisfied, then just break the infinite loop and come out of it. And after that release the webcam, so cap.release and empty parenthesis, and then just destroy all the windows or close all the windows. cv.destroy all windows. Okay, so basically 0xff is the scenario and it is representing binary 1, 8-bit binary, since we only require 8 bits to represent a character. And odd q returns the ASCII value of the q character, which would be again maximum up to 255. So that is the basic of that line here, and I have run it for the first time. It may take some time. Okay, so here it is, and you can see this is how you can read the frames from the webcam. Okay, so that's it for this lecture. I hope you understand. The code is very easy, just you have to practice it, and we'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you.